I am invited to a party. Woo! Ooh. 파티 초대 편지? Piggy. Ooh, he got the mail. What is it? What is it? Gerald! Ooh. Look! I am invited to a party. What? Cool. Wow, it is cool. 멋있어요. Will you go with me? Together. I have never been to a party. I will go with you. I know parties. Oh. Party. Yeah. Oh. Wait. What if it is a fancy party? Ooh. We must be ready. Really? I know parties. Party 잘 알아요. He knows parties. Ooh, looking fancy. Wow, very nice. Is this fancy? Very fancy. La. Wow. Party. Oh yeah. Wait. What if it is a pool party? What if we have to go swimming? A fancy pool party? We must be ready! I know parties. Oh, he knows parties. Pew! Came back with a swimsuit on, too. Swimsuit and a dress? What? Wow. How is this? We will make a splash. Party. Oh, yeah. Wait. What if it is a costume party? Like Halloween, you wear a costume. A fancy pool costume party? We must be ready! Bong. Pew! He had better know parties. Ba-bam! Looking nice, fancy, costume, and swimming. Wow. She's ready. Wow. Now, can we go to the party? Dress, cowboy hat, and swimming gear. Wow. Yes. Now we are ready. Ooh. Interesting. Party! Well, that is a surprise. You do know parties. Wow! Party, 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 party. Oh, yeah. Oh, it is a fancy swimming pool costume party. Wow. What an interesting party.